Ever wondered what it feels like to fly without wings? To drift weightlessly above the world? You're about to discover a view so serene, it'll make time stand still. Let go and float through the clouds. Above the noise of life, beyond the chaos of the world, lies a realm untouched where clouds dance in slow motion, painting stories across the sky. This is where the earth breathes and dreams begin. From wispy cirrus to towering cumulonimbus, each cloud is a living sculpture. Ever-changing yet always familiar. Clouds aren't just cotton candy in the sky. They're rivers of vapor. Oceans above our heads. Every cloud is made of millions of water droplets. Dancing together in perfect harmony. As the sun rises, light bends and bounces, creating glowing golds, pinks, and deep purples. Science explains the light, but not the feeling it gives us. To float through the clouds is to escape, to rise above what holds us down. No roads, no rules, just silence, peace, and endless sky. Many say they feel closest to heaven here not because of faith, but because of freedom. Up here, everything feels possible. You don't need wings to fly, just a moment to breathe, to look up, and to remember that beauty is always above the clouds. Float, watch, wonder. And never forget you were born to rise. Subscribe for more nature documentaries.